Imagine a country where trains arrive with almost impossible precision, where cities stay clean even without public trash bins, and where robots, humans, and technology work together as part of everyday life. A country that rebuilt itself from complete destruction to becoming one of the most advanced nations on Earth in just a few decades. That country is Japan. But here's the real question. How did Japan become so advanced while many older and larger countries are still struggling with basic systems? The answer is not just technology. It's culture, discipline, education, and a mindset that most of the world misunderstands. Stay until the end because the final reason is the most powerful and it explains everything. After World War II, Japan was completely devastated. Cities were destroyed, economy collapsed, resources were limited. Most countries expected Japan to take decades or even a century to recover. But something unexpected happened. Japan didn't just rebuild, it transformed. Instead of focusing only on survival, Japan focused on quality, discipline, and long-term growth. They studied global industries. They improved every system step by step. They rebuilt factories with precision and innovation. This period became known as the Japanese economic miracle. Within just a few decades, Japan became one of the world's largest economies. But the real secret wasn't money, it was mindset. In Japan, education is not just about studying subjects, it is about building character. From a young age, students are taught respect for others, responsibility, discipline, teamwork. One of the most surprising things in Japan is this. Students clean their own classrooms. There are very few janitors in schools. Why? Because children are taught to take responsibility for their environment. This creates a generation that respects public spaces, rules, and society. Another key factor is extreme attention to detail in learning. Students are encouraged to understand concepts deeply, not memorize them quickly. And teachers are highly respected in society. This strong education foundation becomes the backbone of Japan's entire advancement. Because when education is strong, everything else becomes strong too. When people think of Japan, they often think of technology. And for good reason. Japan is home to some of the most advanced systems in the world. One of the best examples is the Shinkansen bullet train. These trains travel extremely fast, are almost always on time, have one of the lowest accident rates in the world. In some cases, delays are measured in seconds, not minutes. But Japan's innovation doesn't stop there. Robotics is another major strength. Japan uses robots in manufacturing, healthcare support, customer service, elderly care. But here's what makes Japan different. They don't use technology just to look advanced. They use it to solve real problems. Japan also leads in electronics, automotive engineering, precision machinery, high-quality manufacturing. Companies focus on perfection, not shortcuts. This mindset is called Kaizen, meaning continuous improvement. Even a tiny improvement, repeated daily, leads to massive progress over time. Japan's economy is built on quality and reliability. Japanese products are trusted worldwide because they are built with extreme precision. But behind this success is a powerful work culture. Employees value responsibility, dedication, team harmony, long-term thinking. Companies focus less on quick profit and more on long-term reputation. However, Japan also faces challenges like aging population, low birth rate, high cost of living, workforce shortages. These challenges show that even advanced countries are not perfect. But Japan continues to innovate to solve these issues using robotics and automation. So why is Japan really so advanced? It's not just technology, not just economy, not just history. It is a combination of something deeper: mindset. Japan focuses on long-term success over short-term gains, discipline over chaos, quality over quantity, respect over competition, improvement over perfectionism. While many countries rush for fast results, Japan builds slowly but correctly. And that is why their systems are stable, efficient, and respected worldwide. Japan didn't become advanced overnight. It became advanced step by step, through discipline, culture, and consistency. Now the question is, can other countries learn from Japan's model of success? Or is Japan's system something truly unique? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch more deep dive videos like this.